Hello guys, I'm here to teach you how to tame and bond with your parakeets, or your budgies, as I can say. Budgie, budgie, boo. This is my... Of course, it takes a very long time to bond with yours. I'm still trying to bond with mine, but I learned, and it takes a really long, patient time to tame these birds. They are very calm, but so the first step is to let them settle in for a couple of days. If you let them settle in for a couple of days, they will get to know the place and they'll feel like it's their home. And then after a couple of days, you could try to, like, every single day go up to it, talk to it, give it some company. Make sure every day you change its water, its food, and its water. And just do it every day. Talk to it, and once you've done, get me a second. Once you've done those 3 steps, you could put the food in your hand and try to put it out just for the bird. Just at first it might like bite you, but don't jerk it, because then it will try to bite you more and you will lose its trust. So just try to like give it to it. Just if it bites you, just keep it still there and you will get its trust back. If you have big barns like this, make sure don't let it get out, especially if you have a dog. So right when you get it, don't just like start playing around with it, because you will lose its trust and it will go crazy. And so once the birds are having fun in there, like if you have one, it might like want to have a friend, so you're gonna have to give it more love and respect and trust, so it will trust you. And once you got the food, you can put it will learn its trust, and just right when it starts to eat from your hand, it might just like jump on and eat, but it might just jump on and jump off, and that will tell you that you're getting your trust back. So thanks for watching my steps on for a parakeet. Thanks for watching. Bye.